Many congratulations, Dr. Rishabh, for this great achievement in the FMG exam conducted recently. You scored 165. You are from Uzgrowth National Medical University, and the entire team of MIST, the entire MIST family, is actually indebted to you for your great hard work, for all the pains which you have taken, and we really appreciate and admire the way you have worked hard. Uh, how are you feeling, Dr. Rishabh, about your success?
Thank you very much, sir. I'm feeling so happy after the results, and I would like to thank all of the faculty of MIST and all the MIST team for helping me throughout the journey, and finally my parents, who have been supporting from throughout the journey, and all their sacrifices finally paid off, and I'm so happy for it.
Wonderful.
How is your experience of missed online live classes and how these classes and all those tests and everything helped you?
Sir, they were very nice. They were actually scheduled on the pattern like the a student should read or should learn. I only followed the missed test series on behalf of what the schedule or what the subjects were given. I only read for that and followed only that one so that I had revisions also. And then the test pattern was so similar to the actual exam that it was it was feeling like I'm giving the missed grand test actually.
Okay. So you are going through all the missed notes.
Yes, sir. Uh, the missed notes are actually very sufficient, more than enough to pass the exam. They were like made in such a way by such experienced faculties like you, sir. Like a person should never go out of that, and he or she can pass so easily in this exam.
कैसा लग रहा है घर में सबको?
घर में सब लोग खुश हैं सर, सब लोग बहुत खुश हैं.
और जो तुमने जैसे अभी बताया कि तुमने पूरा उस शेड्यूल को फॉलो किया, तो जो आजकल जो करंट पैटर्न चल रहा है एग्जाम का, उसमें तुम्हें क्या लगता है कि किसी भी स्टूडेंट को किस चीज पे ज्यादा ध्यान देना चाहिए?
सर सबसे पहली चीज तो ये है कि आजकल थोड़ा क्लिनिकल पैटर्न हो रहा है एमसीक्यूज का, तो मतलब डायरेक्ट एज इट इज जो इन्फॉर्मेशन है वो रीड करके एग्जाम पास नहीं कर सकती. थोड़ा कोरिलेशन बहुत जरूरी होता है. जो मिस फैकल्टी मतलब बहुत each and every faculty of MIST was so dedicated, and they were correlating the subjects in so beautiful way that the exam pattern was like actually the similar in the way they taught. And sir, it was like if if the student is not able to correlate in such a way, sir, actually when we learn by ourselves, the student is able to correlate, but in like up to some level. After that level the faculties are, so they all grades goes to the faculties, sir. And the like 25 important questions which were the series came in last, sir, they, they were so nice, sir. That all the concepts and all the major concepts and all the major theories had got covered into it.
Wonderful, wonderful. And how
Thank you.
was your life at Uzgrowth?
Sir, I was not a so studious student in Uzhgorod. I attended so many conferences in Europe and represented my university over there. And then I had involvement in many sports activities, and I enjoyed my life so much there, sir. And at last also in final year I had a gap of 6 to 7 months when my sister's marriage was there. So I had to like I enjoyed that thing also. But after actual journey started after I came to Delhi, then I had dedicated myself fully towards the FMG exam for those 3 or 4 months, and the result is only on behalf of that, I would say.
What Dr. Rishabh Parihar would like to share with future aspirants or juniors so that they can be benefited with your advice?
So the only advice from my side is that MIST is more than enough for a student to pass the exam. The faculties are so experienced, and I have not seen so I have not seen any team which is so much dedicated towards their work other than MIST, because on the day of exam also the faculty sir Vinit sir was there in my verse, so I was constantly in contact with him, sir. And like the only guidance is that just follow the MIST notes, follow the test series, or follow the schedule which is given, and you can have 3 or 4 revisions. And if you are if you have not been such a wonderful student in your college, then also trust yourself, follow the faculties, and follow MIST. Yeah, we can definitely pass the exam.
Wonderful, Beta. Such nice words of appreciation, Beta. And we would like to take this honor to congratulate not only you, but also we would like to communicate our respect, regards to your parents, Beta, because it is their blessings which have helped us in this journey, Beta.
Thank you very much, sir.
Can you invite them here? Mummy Papa ko.
Yes, sir, sure. Just a minute. Mummy? Yes, sir, they are coming.
Yeah.
कैसा लग रहा है आजकल सेलिब्रेशंस चल रहे होंगे?
हाँ सर, सेलिब्रेशंस चल रहे थे। बहुत ज्यादा खुश हैं सब लोग।
कितना अच्छा लग रहा है, मतलब ये जो स्माइल है ना, बस ये चाहिए होती है।
नमस्कार
सर,
सर।
नमस्कार।
सर आपको बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ, दिल से बधाइयाँ। बेटे ने टफ एग्जाम पास किया है। इजी एग्जाम नहीं होता, टफ एग्जाम होता है।
आप लोगों को भी बधाइयाँ सर। आपके इंस्टीट्यूट से यहाँ पर ये जो मिला है मार्गदर्शन, और इसकी जो सफलता है, ये आप लोगों के द्वारा ही है सर।
नमस्कार
और
मैम।
इसकी
सर आप जो बच्चे एग्जाम देंगे अभी जून में, उनके पापा मम्मी से क्या कहना चाहेंगे कि उनको अपने बच्चों का किस तरह ध्यान रखना चाहिए?
बस उन्होंने मेहनत करना चाहिए आपके मार्गदर्शन में, और सफलता की सीढ़ी चढ़ना चाहिए सर उन लोगों ने।
जी।
इस प्रकार की
मैं मैम से एक चीज पूछूंगा कि मैम ऋषभ ने ऐसा क्या किया, ऐसी तैयारी, मतलब ऐसा क्या किया कि इतने अच्छे मार्क्स इतनी जल्दी कैसे पॉसिबल हुआ?
सर वो आप लोग का ही सहयोग है। आप लोग ने
और
जैसा
इसकी मेहनत।
किया और इस मेहनत इसकी, आप लोग ने जैसा बताया वैसा सब उसने किया।
मेहनत तो पूरी ऋषभ की ही रही है। बस जो हमने कहा ऋषभ ऐसा बोल रहे, क्या उसको फॉलो किया, ऐसा ऋषभ बोल रहे हैं, लेकिन किया तो ऋषभ नहीं है। हमने अपनी कोशिश की, पूरे एफर्ट्स किए कि अच्छे से अच्छा कर सके, बट उसको पूरा ग्रेस्प करना, उसको पूरी तरह से कर पाना, इम्प्लीमेंट करना, ये सब तो ऋषभ ने किया है। और ये किया तभी होगा जब आपका बहुत ज्यादा एक हिडन एफर्ट होता है जो दिखता नहीं है कई बार, जो आप सबके, आप दोनों के एफर्ट्स हैं और आपका जो आशीर्वाद है, उसी का ये रिजल्ट आया है।
बरोबर है
आपने
सर।
ऐसा कुछ तो जरूर किया होगा।
माँ बाप आशीर्वाद दे सकते हैं सर बच्चों को।
सही बात है। थैंक यू वेरी मच। थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू मैम, एंड हार्टिएस्ट कांग्रेचुलेशंस वंस अगेन। आप सबको दिल से बधाइयाँ।
Thank you.
Thank you.
Dr. Rishabh, and wish you all the very best for all your future endeavors. And thank you, sir, and thank you, ma'am, for taking out your precious time and interacting with us. Thank you, and we'll always remain indebted to you. Thank you.
Thank you very much.